This 200 Rand program is something that we all need to get involved in. Guys, click on my bio or click on my. Send me a message with your number and I will get back to you. All you do is register with 200 Rand. And if you get referrals with your link on that 200 Rand, you get 60 Rand back. So once you've got 10, you get 600 Rand and you invested 200 Rand. Then you can go to the shops. And from that 600 Rand that you have in a voucher, you can buy groceries. And from that money that you have spent, you'll be reimbursed on the 7th of the next month with portion of it, the bank charges that was involved in that transaction. So just send me your phone number and I'll get back to you.